Hi, I've decided to modify the lighting in my observatory. The two red bulkheads that I had weren't really giving off enough red light, and often I find that it's useful to have some white light in here as well. Plus, I've actually started working out in my observatory in the garden sometimes during the week, so I thought having a variety of lighting would be a good thing to do. So I put some LED strip lighting around the top of the observatory. I've got a controller and I can change the lighting colours and fade it and dim it and all kinds of special effects. Not that I'm going to need to use those, but see what you think. Kinda cool, huh?